Subject Craft Standard 1. Hello students, my name is Mrinal More and today we are going to learn some more interesting things. Our first topic is star. Here you can see how I have made a star. So now let's see the video to learn how to make this star. Our first topic is star. For making a star from an origami packet, take this paper. See a blue color, here it is written star. And turn it backward, keep it this way. Your first step is fold the corners meeting the center line. See here. What you have to do, these are the two corners. You have to fold them in this way that it meets the center line. One, and just press it. And the second corner also, meeting the center line, you have to fold them. So, in this way, you have to fold both the corners meeting the center line. See here. Got it? Then, the step second is again fold the corners to the center along the dotted line. So, this time you have to fold these corners. See here below. This, you have to fold it meeting the center line. This way. One. Then the second one also. This way that it meets the center line. And just press it. See. Like this you will get it. By folding the upper and bottom, both the corners inside. Then fold in half in the direction of arrow. So see here, this is how the arrow is given, this way. So you will fold it in half. You have to fold this paper in half this way and just press it. Got it? Once again I will tell you, see, this is how the paper was. What I did, I folded first the upper corners meeting in the center line, this way. Then the below corners are also I folded meeting the center line. This is what we got. Then I folded the paper in the half, this way. And then this is what you got. So, similarly make two more triangles. So this you will have 3 papers of such. One we have made. Same way you have to make 3. Such 3 you have to make it. Then what you have to do is you have to stick 2 of them together this way. See here, in this way you have to stick 2 of them together. So here is a Fevicol. We will stick 2 papers first. See, this is how I have sticked both the papers. See here, 2 papers I have sticked together in this way. This is how you will get. Then, now you have to stick this third paper in this direction. Here you can see this triangle one below. So, I am sticking this third paper here. See, I have pasted the Fevicol. First I am sticking this part such as it doesn't open. This part also, and I am sticking this part also. See, our star is ready in this way. See, now your star is ready. You can stick here or also at your home. This is how we make a star. Our second topic is photo frame. Here you can see how I have made the photo frame. Now, to learn how to make a photo frame, let's see the video. Our second topic for today is photo frame. For making a photo frame from your origami packet, take this paper, see it, pink color paper, and it will be written photo frame on it. What you have to do is turn the paper back side to the white side. Then our first step is find the center of the paper and fold all the four corners to it. So this is the first center of the paper. You have to fold these four corners to the center. So one corner, just press it. Then the second corner meeting the center and slightly press it. In the same way you have to fold the third and the fourth corner in this way. See, this is how I folded all the four corners. Like this we have got it. Then step 3 is fold all the corners inwards along the dotted line. You have to just turn it over, and these are the four corners. You have to fold these corners inside. Here you can see some dotted lines are there. Along these dotted lines you have to fold these four corners. 1, 2, 3. Just press it so that the corners stay inwards. See, this way after folding all the four corners, this is how your paper will look, like this. So then next step is turn it over. After turning, you have to fold all the four flaps outwards. See, these are the four flaps. You have to fold them outwards. 1, 2, 3 and 4. In this way, just press it and fold. And then sixth step is fold the corners inwards. So now you have to fold these corners, these four corners, again you have to fold inwards. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Again I will show you one more time. First we folded all the four corners inside, then along the dotted line we folded these corners. Then what we did, we first folded these flaps outwards and then we took these corners inwards. By doing this, we got a photo frame. And see, our photo frame is ready. So easy. See, our photo frame ready. You can stick your photo in it. Our third topic for today is angelfish. So now let's see how to make this angelfish. Our third topic is angelfish. For making angelfish, take this paper from your origami packet. What you have to do is turn this paper. Turn it and then fold this paper in half this way. See, I am folding it in half, meeting both the corners and folding it. While folding, pay attention that you have to fold in this way. See, half this portion and half this portion. Don't fold the paper this way that all the orange side stays one side. You have to fold it this way. Then just press it. Second step is again fold the paper in half. So here you have to again fold this paper in half this way. Fold it. So you get this square after folding the paper in half. See? Then the third step is slide the finger and pull out the triangle outward. So this is the square we are getting. So this is the outward paper. Here put your finger and just slide it, means make it a triangle this way. See, this is your square paper. You have to put a finger and make it a triangle this way. So here you got a triangle. You can see. Now step 4 is you have to do the same on the back side. This side also you have to do the same. You have to just put the finger and you have to make a triangle there so that you get a triangle. So now see, in this way we got the triangles on both the side, on the front side also and on the back side also. What you have to do is turn it over this side, on this side, and then fold the right corner along the crease. Here you can see You have to fold this right corner so that it meets the center this way. And then next step is, that is seventh step is, fold the left one over the right. So this is the left corner. I have to fold it this way that it's come over the left corner. This is how. And then eighth and the last step is turn it over. After turning it over, you get your angel fish. See, this is how your angel fish is ready. You have to stick your chest. You get your angel fish.
Thank you.